Hey everyone, my name is Julio from Epic Roof Replacement. Right behind me, you'll see our Master Elite installers installing a beautiful GAF Golden Pledge warranty system. It includes numerous components like the GAF ice and water underlayment that goes along all the penetration and valleys of the house. On top of that, we'll install a GAF Tiger Paw synthetic underlayment, and the final component is the GAF Timberland HDZ RS Plus shingles. And to properly ventilate the house, we'll also be installing the Cobra Ridge vent to make their attic space cooler and overall give them a better energy efficiency in their house. What makes us different from all the other installers is that we don't mix and match materials, but we actually use all GAF products that will give you a long-lasting roof for years to come.